So when he gives a two-hand swing, we go towards it. Now remember, we can also go away. Now, Brian, sometimes you're swinging with a single hand, in which case it still works, but you have to go more sideways. So when it's a single hand swing, you're sideways, so you go this way. Okay? You have to go with a side hammer fist instead of the kick, because when he swings, I'm more turned this way, he's not in front of me, unless I'm going to do some crazy kick out here, it'd be a little tougher. So in this case, I go in, side hammer fist, kick, and move. Cool? All right. But let's talk about the two-hand swing. One final version I'm going to give you guys today. It's really easy, but it's a lot of fun. So watch out for yourselves. It's a little bit more of a distance. So it's not here, it's here. Scoot back a little bit. So it's, let's call it one-step distance, where he has to take at least one step to reach me with the weapon. Okay? So it's a little bit further of a distance, a little more of a preventative technique, and it's not going to be for everybody. But he decides to give me the swing, and now I go in that way. Okay? So one more time, he swings. So, all I do is I lift my lead leg and put my foot out in what's called a stop kick. This is another one of our intercepting or straight versus circle techniques. So he goes, I aim at his hands, and I stop it with my foot. If he's aiming for my head, his hands will typically be below. So I don't have to really kick like super high. I just have to stop it, bring my foot back, and then go in. I've stopped the momentum. In order for him to hit me again, he has to wind up. I'm already there by now. So without him, it goes like this. Bang, go in, grab, hit, disarm. And you're right back to what you did. Okay. When you stop kick, have your hands up in case you miss. Okay? So if I don't get it up in time, well then I have this. So don't just go, huh. Bad plan. So one more time. Bang, come in, keep it covered, control, hit, disarm. Cool? This is easier than it looks. Your foot will be more accurate than you think. All right, guys. Who did I steal this from? Ladies? All right, let's go.